Hey guys, welcome to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. And you can hear the car in the background. I'm about to take it on the highway to do some pulls. It's the first time taking it on the highway with everything completed in the engine. It's not tuned yet, so if the numbers don't look right while I'm doing the pull, then I'ma just have to stop. I'm taking a chance for you guys. But yeah, I got a GoPro set up in the car, so let's go see what's in. At the gas station, the first thing I'm gonna do is get some gas, and then we gonna be on it. We going on the highway, boys. Yes, sir. That's it. Just wanted to top up. Yes, sir. Flutter, it sounds so good. That's that. Alright, this ain't the highway, but I'm gonna give it a little squeeze. And it gets louder. Oh, shoot, that was over 80. Oh my God. I went up to almost 10 pounds. I am not tuned. I should not be doing this. I'm so proud of myself though. So proud of myself, man. Yep, so I just got back. I kind of pushed it a little bit more than I wanted to, but the car seems fine, the motor seems fine. But probably that's the last time I'm gonna do it until I get it tuned. It's cooling down right now. Everything sounds good, everything look good. But we out here, man. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep following the build. More coming. I don't know how often, but more is coming. Stay tuned with your boy. We out. Have a good day.
Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better you show it. Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better you show it. Make me feel like I just want you to come over. I just want you to have my daughter. Shorty, you